all of the people, and I don't know why I can't keep my eyes off of you.
There's something about you, God, I can't quite figure out. Everything you do is beautiful. Everything you do is bright. 'Cause it's you and me
And all of the people, and I don't know why I can't keep my eyes off of
How can you live without me? My world is gone, and you carry on without me. Like a human, you have arrived. It was just like you said. I'd spend my life alone without you. Will I be? How can you live without me? My world's gone, and you carry on without me. Without me. An inspiration to call you on the phone. Hair's a mess, but it's such a shame.
sunlight touches you.
You start your day,
You fix your space,
and you smile for the first time, and you're wondering what today will be like. And if the world brings you down,
just remember love can turn it all around. So don't you worry about today. Love will
and make you smile. Oh, why turn your world around? Love is here, take your feet off the ground. Smile with a pretty face, the world will stop you now. Oh, in the end, you'll be dancing again.
Ayun.
Grabe!
Ang ganda.
Ang
Ang
ganda-ganda.
ganda ng packaging ng bagong album ni Miss Reg, I have to say.
At yung pagkakanta nila lahat kanina,
Yes.
sobrang ganda. Sila lang makakagawa talaga ng acoustic niyan. At saka, alam mo, wala akong masabi sa album ni Ate Reg na to.
Dalawa ang packaging. Ganon na, ibang level na.
Tama, double saya ang makukuha
Miss
ninyo.
Regine Velasquez,
Hi.
join us here.
Ate, congratulations sa inyong
Yes.
bagong album.
Bagong
Alam mo,
album.
Sulit na sulit ang mga fans sa pictures.
Yes.
Dami!
So finally, it's out. This is called Fantasy. It's already out in the market. We have 2 CDs
Okay.
and 22 songs. Bali, yung isang CD, since uso ngayon yung mga covers, bibigyan din natin sila ng covers, yung mga medyo alam na nilang songs.
Okay.
And then of course, the second CD is all original.
All original.
OPM songs.
Talagang
Ang
sulit,
dami,
22 songs in one CD and then also in one album and also dalawang version yan. Ibig sabihin, pareho lang yung mga kanta, ang iba lang yung mga pictures.
Yung
Yes.
packaging.
Collectible pictures.
Ate, kwento mo nga sa kanila, mga ilang pictures sa isang packaging?
10. 10 yata.
Sampu sa 20
Postcard
lahat.
type.
Oo, parang postcard type.
Ang
Tapos,
ganda.
bali, ito, dito sa picture na to, hindi ako kumain ng mga 3 buwan.
Tapos meron
Plus,
sa
meron pa
swimming
parang
pool.
booklet, di ba?
Yes, ito naman, yan yung mga lyrics at saka yung mga acknowledgement. So, sana you guys can get a copy of the new album. It's called Fantasy. It's already out in the market. And madaming mga, I'd like to say thank you to all the songwriters.
Yes, sino-sino nga ito mga
Yung
composers mo dito?
Meron si Augie.
Ay, sus naman!
my friend Augie wrote a
Malapit mo na
song.
maging ex-friend yan.
Maging ex-friend.
Yes.
He wrote the song is actually the Carrier single, which is entitled You Don't Know. And of course, marami pa. Yung Smile, yung kinanta ko kanina, ginawa yun ni Robin Nivera.
Wow.
Martin.
Wow.
Isabella Ledesma also wrote the song. Noel Mendez. Sino pa ba? Madami pang iba. So sana po makabili kayo ng kopya. And then, ano yan?
Mga pictures,
Yung
merong
mga
black and
pictures.
white,
May
at
black and
meron-
Who
white.
photographed these?
Colored.
Who photographed?
It's Mark McDowell.
Mark
My friend,
McDowell.
Mark
Wow.
McDowell.
So
Ito, Raymond.
pag Regine fan ka, you have to buy both to get all the pictures.
Yeah.
Diba?
Yes. At nag-abala din yung kapatid kong si Kakay. Oo, siya yung may mga arte-arte dyan. So, thank you din. So, thank
There
you
you
very
go.
much.
Congratulations with the
Thank
new
you.
album, mga kapuso. Go ahead and get a copy of Fantasy.
Yes, Fantasy.
And if you're a Regine fan, you have to get both copies, all right? To get
yes.
all the
Sobrang
pictures.
daming
This is-
pictures.
Under Universal Records. So,
Under
thank you.
Universal. There you go.
Mamaya, may mall show po ako sa McKinley, the Fort.
Yes.
I'll be there at like 6 o'clock. So, don't forget, magkita-kita
McKinley
po
the
tayo.
Fort. There you go. The Songbird will be there live na live. All right, guys. Thank you
Yes.
so much, Miss Regine Velasquez.
Thank you.
Fantasy is out in the market. Pero ito pang siguradong excited na ang lahat ng mga taga-Party P dahil si Rachel Ann Go will take it off when Party Pilipinas returns.
Yes! We'll be back!
Ngayong